got the first place in 11th standard and the second place in 12th standard. She's been awarded with 6,000 of cash awards for 11th and 12th. It has been followed by R. Abhirami. She has got the second place in 11th and 12th standard and centum in economics. And she has been awarded with the overall cash of 5,000. And it has been followed by G.A. Nityashree. She has got the second place in 11th standard and she has been honored with a cash award of 2,000. In 12th standard and centum in 12th accountancy. She is receiving the cash award of 2,000. Mbala Anushya. She has got first place in 10th and 11th, in general proficiency in 12th standard, centum in science, centum in business maths, and full attendance in 11th standard. And overall, she has been awarded the cash award of 8,000. S. Kavan Mukesh has got the second place in 10th standard, centum in maths. He is the best student award in 12th standard and he has been awarded with a cash of rupees 3,000 in maths in 11th standard and has got the third place in 11th standard and he has also been scored science and he has been honored for his general proficiency and he has been awarded with the cash award place in 10th standard. Been awarded with the cash award of rupees 4,000. M. Mariselvam. He has been got centum in maths for 10th standard and he has got general proficiency in 12th standard. And now is K. Pragadish Ram, centum in 12th standard in computer science. A. Vasudevan has been received centum in computer science. And the school toppers